Hi, I'm Rick Belt, the EVMicGuy. Thanks for watching. Reading through our viewer mail, I came across this one from Corey in Wallingford, Connecticut. Corey writes, "Hey Rick, the auditorium at school has a PA and podium mic for people to speak during programs. Good sound is a problem when some people who don't know how to use the mic get up and speak. I've used the RE20 in studios and love how Variable-D manages distance, but its size is impractical for our auditorium's podium. Is there another solution?" That's a great question, Corey, and thanks so much for writing in for advice. Yes, indeed, Variable-D is the only solution to speakers who don't stay right up on the mic. And you're right, the RE20 size will probably make it impractical on the podium. Variable-D is also found in our RE16, which is smaller and more likely to be the appropriate size. So let me show you how it sounds in comparison to a couple other mics. I've got 3 mics brought in for comparison. During these comparisons, I'm going to mute my body mic so that doesn't get mixed in with the sound of the mics that we're listening to. So I'm going to go ahead and mute my mic and bring up the first one. Okay, so now I'm on a standard cardioid mic that has a proximity effect, and proximity effect has something to do with the problem you're having in that auditorium. So as I get right up on the mic, I'm going to get a tremendous increase in bass, but as I move away, my voice is going to thin out and the gain's going to go down drastically. And when you have people addressing your crowd and they don't know how to work the mic and they get off of the mic drastically, you're going to end up having to make up for it at the console with gain, and a lot of times that'll introduce another problem, feedback. So here's a standard cardioid mic. You hear what the working distance is, and I'm going to go ahead and mute this one and go over to the RE20. All right, so now I'm on the RE20, and we covered RE20 in another program. You're more than welcome to have a look at that one as well. But the RE20 has a Variable-D, and the Variable-D gives me a generous working distance. And if I'm using this mic, I'm not necessarily having to be right up on the mic to get full gain and tone. I can be way off of the mic and still be heard. And so that's the Variable-D, and this is what the RE20 sounds like. Now I'm going to go over to the RE16. All right, so now I'm up on the RE16, and as you can see, it's a smaller profile mic, and it's certainly more appropriate for a podium. Now, the tone of the mic is going to be a little bit different than the RE20, obviously, but we've got Variable-D proximity control, which means that I can be off of the mic by a fairly significant distance and not sacrifice gain and tone. So if somebody that doesn't know how to work the mic in your auditorium is moving around the mic and they're way off axis on the mic, you don't have to make up for it with much gain on the console to get them into the PA and heard. So those are my comparisons, and this is the RE16 compared to the RE20. So there you go, Corey. The RE16 is a Variable-D mic and a more manageable size on a podium. I hope that helps. Just remember that if someone removes it from the clip to handhold it, they'll need to be very careful not to cover up the Variable-D phase port. Thanks again for your question. So that's it for this show. Thanks again for tuning in. This is Rick Belt, the EVMicGuy. See you next time.